Ratchet and Clank All for One. Should we call this all
Part 2?
Yeah, part 2. Or should we like name the episodes, or should we just?
Yeah, I guess we could put time in here. We'll watch it afterwards, the video, and then we'll name it, and then we'll post it online.
We could just do parts. I think that'd be better because we're gonna be playing through the whole thing, so it might be easier to figure out.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying part 1. This or something like.
Okie dokie.
Part 1 would be the arrival of the monster. Or,
Wait.
That man needs a breath mint. Or,
Yeah, that man needs that man needs a breath mint.
Also, if you're far away and you need to get to where your partner is, press triangle and it will hook you to your partner.
1 minute, my camera's not lined up right.
What?
My camera wasn't lined up right. Now it's ready.
Oh. Okay.
Okie dokie.
You ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
We just, in the last episode, got our bazooka launcher.
Oh, right. I forgot about that.
Grenade launcher.
Whoa, yeah. How do I choose different weapons?
You move your right
I'm over
stick.
here.
Oh, okay. Woo! Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I would save this one though until we get some big people to fight, like them on that tower right there.
Oh, that's right. I wanted to be a different character. We'll finish this level first.
Yeah, we'll finish every level. We can switch off, but we have to start all over with a new character. I mean, because that character won't have the. So I don't think we should do that, Caleb.
No, when we finish this level, I'll change my character in the next
Well,
episode.
no, because then you have to start you have to redo all your bolts, and you don't keep the same weapons that you just did.
Oh, really? I don't care.
It just, don't do that. I mean, it will take 15 times as long to do it. Shoot him!
I'll just get lots of bolts.
It doesn't matter. Your bolts won't save on the second character. I'm dying. Shoot him. This weapon's not working out for me. Back up a little, okay? You can back up. Back up as far as you can. You're dying. Dude, back up. Ouch.
Not a good time to run out
Ouch.
of ammo.
Don't go too far back. Don't try everything else. Shoot him. You're out of ammo. Caleb, get to this weapon. Don't get hit.
Yeah! Feel the pain, man!
He's almost dead.
I died, Connell. You can't die.
I'm out of ammo.
You're out of ammo? What?
Oh yeah, guys, wait, we have an ammo thing. Ouch.
Murder my butt.
Caleb,
Your eyes weren't green anymore when you died. That's funny.
Go to that weapon. Okay, let's do it.
This is... Yay! We did it!
Okay, get some help. Get some
Got
help.
ammo here.
Ratchet, find some nanotech.
Ready.
More for me, I guess.
Oh, right. Get all the
Exit that. I
stuff.
thought you couldn't exit when you
Get
got
ready,
it.
Ratchet. You ready, pal?
This equipment's taking a beating, but it's not ready
Ah!
just yet. Let's hope it
Leave me
doesn't
alone, you
take more
jerk!
before our
Leave me alone, you big fat baboon!
Uh-oh, it's going for the power tower for the entire city.
Oh, that's not good.
Generator has been installed on that building.
Well, that certainly complicates things.
Oh, great.
destroy all those.
No! How do we destroy that?
We have to do this.
Get the other one.
People, we got rock. No worries, we got Kazuka kind of launching. We got rocket launchers.
Oh my gosh, there's so many of them.
Don't even have to kill him. Ow.
Just get to the power thingies.
You can't just kill all these. Stop.
I want my mommy. I want my mommy. I want. Oh, kill them. Give him a piece of your mind, boy. I don't
Yes, everyone, get that help. You get that one over there.
Where's the help? Where is it?
Oh, it's on.
I don't know what to do. Kill that guy. You're like, leave me alone, you jerk. Leave me alone. What did I do to you? Well, I suppose I killed your family, but still.
It's a robot. It doesn't have feelings.
I know, Mom, I need the remote.
Cody, stop it.
Put it in my lap.
Okay, you wait for those two to pop up over there. Okay?
We need.
That little. No. You stay over there. I can see these two. You get those two.
Yes.
This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating Sabru.
Oh, I hate these people.
Battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators.
According to our...
Come on, shoot this. Shoot this with me, Caleb.
They cannot.
Mom, can you please get Emily out of here? She took down my whole camera stand and ruined it.
Shoot this. Caleb, shoot this.
I need you.
Caleb.
Shoot all of them.
Caleb, shoot this right here. Here. Where I need me, Caleb. Shoot the other. Blow it up and then shoot the defense stuff.
Shoot them.
Go in the defense. Go in the attack. Shoot the one on the defense.
Shoot it. This guy is vicious.
Run. Go for the defense. Go for the attack.
Get the green orbs and I'll get these. Shoot. Rapid fire.
Now we can shoot an attack.
Get the power plant. Woohoo! Mom, I need the remote.
Come on. Slam his fingers.
What do I do?
Slam his fingers once he's ready. Once he's like this, slam his fingers. I'm dead. Get the other one.
Bye. Have a good nap. Splat. Oh, I was hoping your blue blood would go everywhere.
And the group is
That
down for the count.
sucks.
It kind of was. It was
Absolutely
like,
incredible.
Mom, can you please get her out of here?
After this word from our
Yes.
sponsor.
We're doing our game series.
do 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 do.
She's just.
Cody, please move that.
I can't be patient. Yay! We won the level.
Well, that's because I have more experience.
I do too, because we both played Ratchet and Clank games.
He's putting his phone on the screen.
Huh?
I'm talking to my dad.
It's been a lot of fun catching up.
See, it's still green.
That's so fast, Nefarious. You've done some underhanded things in your time, but this beats all. I'm starting to think there may not even be an Intergalactic Tool of Justice Award.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Sorry, my little sister is ruining my camera.
That's okay. Just fix it and then go on.
That's not one of mine.
Uh-oh.
There's a different villain.
Wait, guys. There's another cutscene.
Yeah, once this video's over, we can stop it.
Wait, get the light, would you? Oh, boy.
Whoa, what the heck?
Clank, where are we? I do not know. Have you located Quark?
Help me here, someone! I think my finger...
Oh, perfect. Can this get any worse? Quark, would you?
You twit. Dare lay your squishy hands on me. Bring it down from here.
Emily, you put that down.
What you doing up there?
Hey, little girl. Can you get us out of here?
Alright, I'm back to
Ooh. She doesn't like her job. Can you hear me fine?
Yeah, I can hear you. You.
Thanks, Sony
We
Bus.
should go before she finds out you're here. Come on, head through the Sector 7 air vent. And
All right,
we'll
everybody.
on the south side.
We're going to see you
Never
next time.
before her mission is complete.